All right, of course, I got the crossover steering. While I'm here today, I'm going to go ahead and take this off, readjust a little bit, the alignment's off a little bit, as well as my steering wheel. So I need to center the pitman arm in order to make that work. But one thing I want to do is put my steering stabilizer back on there. So reached out to Steinjager. If you haven't heard of this company and you own a Jeep, you definitely need to look this company up. Everything you can absolutely imagine for your Jeep, from factory to aftermarket, everything. Again, I'll post a link below, but Steinjager, definitely need to check them out. But what I got is the steering stabilizer bracket assembly, okay? This will actually hook to my drag link. You put this on and I can mount my steering stabilizer onto this bracket and reinstall it. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'll show you that process. But first and foremost, I'm gonna adjust the length of my track bar and drag link and straighten my steering wheel before I put on my steering stabilizer. All right, now that I got those adjusted where I wanted, heim joints or the jam nuts are tightened, got everything's good. You can see my track bar and drag link are in parallel, so should be good. Of course, I'll still need an alignment. But first thing I'm gonna do is put my stabilizer back onto the vehicle. Then what I'm gonna do is you're going to extend this out the full length of the steering stabilizer, right? Once you get the full length measurement, you're gonna go back into half, and then that's roughly where you're gonna put your bracket. So let me get that on and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, with my stabilizer mounted in, like I said, you wanna pull it out to the full length. Then you wanna measure this, right? So, all right, kind of hard to see, but mine is right at 7 inches. So I'm gonna push this in to where I'm at 3.5 inches. And then that's where I'll hook it up to my track bar. Oh, I'm sorry, my drag link. All right, so if you can see, I've got 3.5 inches out. My apologies for my wife laughing at that comment, but that's where the 3.5 inches is, and then that's where we're gonna hook the bracket up at. All right, so as you just saw, seems like it's good. It's a little late tonight, but I'll take it out tomorrow, recheck it. One thing that I did do different, this is actually designed to sit on this side of the bar, but it put my steering stabilizer in too big of a bind that I didn't like it. So I rotated it. Don't see how it would change anything. I just didn't like the angle that it was at, so now it's more in line, which is what I want. So you got your bracket, so you'll put it's 15/16 bolt and nut that they give you. So you'll put the 15/16 bolt with the washer through your stabilizer, through their bracket, and then a 15/16 nut on the back of it. It's a lock nut, so should be in good shape. Then you've got these two horseshoe bolts that go around, feed back through the bracket, and then you got a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter to tighten those down to keep it snug. As of right now, seems to be great. If there's something wrong with it, I'm sure it's because I did it wrong, but I'll do it, take it out tomorrow, test it out, and let you know. But again, Steinjager, definitely check them out. You won't be disappointed. Anything Jeep related, they've got it. Again, I'll post their link in the comments, and thanks for watching.